Here are the top drug classes most likely to cause erectile dysfunction. First up, antihypertensives. Beta blockers like metoprolol reduce blood flow, but they can also sap the blood needed for an erection. Next, antidepressants, especially SSRIs such as sertraline. By altering serotonin in your brain, they can blunt sexual arousal and make it harder to maintain firmness. Other common culprits include antipsychotics and some H2 blockers for acid reflux. These medications can interfere with nerve signals, further impacting performance. Lifestyle strategies can help too. Regular exercise, balanced diet, and stress management support healthy blood flow. If you notice changes after starting a new prescription, talk with your doctor. Why wait for a doctor's visit when you could find out what's going on right now for free at ubiehealth.com? And if you like health info that's actually rooted in science, hit that follow for more.